ezyZip. There are just so many RAR files. I don't have time to open and check each one. Oh yeah, my friend Azraya told me to use the RAR to PDF converter to be more efficient. Leo recently sent me a PDF file in a RAR archive, and it's my job to convert it. First, go to the RAR to PDF converter tab on ezyZip.com. Select the files you wish to convert. If you wish to preview what you just converted, click on the preview button. This is important. I think I need to save this document. Click on the save button to save the file. The prophecy is true. I finally got my hands on the important PDF file. ezyZip.